Have you ever wondered what the future holds for smart homes, and in particular Apple's role in shaping this future? It's a fascinating prospect, isn't it? The idea that our homes could be so interconnected, so intuitive, that they make our lives not just easier but downright enjoyable. That's the promise of smart homes, and as one of the leading tech giants, Apple is at the forefront of this revolution. Reports suggest that Apple is considering products that consolidate information from other smart home devices. Imagine a room assistant that could point a screen at you, following you as you move around your living space. Or a lightweight smart display, akin to a low-end iPad, that gathers data from home devices and can be easily carried around. Smart homes are no longer a distant dream, they're here, and they're evolving rapidly. Apple's ambitious plans hint at a future where our homes aren't just smart, they're downright brilliant. Join us as we delve into Apple's current smart home products and what they have in store for the future. Apple has already made significant strides in the smart home category. Let's chat about some of the ways this tech giant has already revolutionized our homes. At the center of it all is the HomeKit, Apple's proprietary software framework that lets users control smart home appliances using their Apple devices. Lights, thermostats, doorbells, you name it, HomeKit can probably control it. This framework is not just about convenience, it's about creating a seamless ecosystem where all your devices communicate effectively. So, whether you're using Siri to dim the lights for movie night, or checking who's at the door from your Apple Watch, HomeKit is the invisible thread that ties it all together. Now let's talk about Apple TV. It's not just a streaming device, it's a gateway to your smart home. With Apple TV, you can control your HomeKit devices, monitor your home cameras, and even use the device as a hub for automations. It's like having a command center right in your living room. And according to a recent Bloomberg report, it seems Apple's ambitions are far from done in this space. Apple TV with a built-in camera for video conferencing? That's one of the ideas being tossed around. Imagine not just connecting your smart home but connecting with your loved ones all through Apple TV. Another intriguing concept is a lightweight smart display that gathers data from home devices. It's like having a low-end iPad that can be easily carried around the house and docked at charging hubs. This could be a game-changer for smart home management. But remember, these are all speculations and ideas that may or may not see the light of day. Apple, like any tech company, starts many projects that don't end up shipping. But one thing is clear, Apple is not resting on its laurels. But Apple's ambitions go beyond these existing products. With rumors of robotics and more advanced smart home devices, the future is looking brighter than ever for Apple users. The smart home category is still in its infancy, and it's exciting to see where Apple and other tech companies will take us next. Apple's future plans for smart homes are exciting and innovative. As the tech giant continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, it's reportedly considering a raft of new products that could revolutionize the way we live and interact within our homes. One such idea is a revamped Apple TV set-top box that comes with a built-in camera designed for video conferencing. This could transform the way we communicate, bringing our loved ones, colleagues, and friends right into our living rooms in a more immersive way. Alongside this, Apple is also said to be exploring the creation of a lightweight, smart display. Picture a device akin to a low-end iPad, capable of gathering data from various home devices. This could be carried around the house with ease and docked with charging hubs conveniently located throughout your home. This innovation could make managing your smart home as easy as carrying a tablet from room to room. It's important to note that these are merely possibilities at this stage. Apple has reportedly begun small-scale testing on these projects, but as with any rumor, it's uncertain whether these products will ever come to fruition. Another rumor that's been doing the rounds is a HomePod with a connected screen, a concept initially advocated by analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. However, Kuo has recently walked back predictions that such a device would appear this year. Furthermore, Apple is thought to be considering developing new product ideas from technology repurposed from the abandoned Apple Car project. This could result in increased smart home control through the iPhone and iPad, leveraging the integration features of CarPlay 2 with a vehicle's controls. The AI and machine learning developed for the car project could also be transferred to mobile robots, with recent rumors suggesting that Apple is considering entering the field of robotics. Imagine a tabletop product with a robotic arm that moves a display around to follow you, offering unprecedented freedom beyond what the center stage camera feature currently allows. And yet, these are not the only innovations Apple is contemplating. Apple's future ambitions leverage robotics and go far beyond simple HomeKit lights. The tech giant's vision for the future of smart homes is a canvas painted with the vibrant colors of robotics and artificial intelligence. Rumor has it that Apple is considering a bold entry into the world of robotics, and this revolutionary technology could be the key to unlocking new dimensions in smart home devices. Consider the potential of a tabletop product equipped with a robotic arm. This arm could move a display screen around to follow your movements, keeping you in the frame as you navigate your space. The concept might remind you of the iMac G4 arm, but imagine it automated. It could offer a level of freedom that surpasses the capabilities of the existing center stage camera feature. But Apple's foray into robotics doesn't stop there. The company's abandoned Apple Car project could provide the foundation for these advancements. The artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies developed for this project could easily be transferred to mobile robots. Imagine a future where your smart home devices learn from your habits, adapting and evolving to serve you better. The integration between a vehicle's controls and CarPlay 2, another offshoot of the Apple Car project, could be repurposed for increased smart home control via the iPhone and iPad. Your phone could become the central hub from which you control every aspect of your smart home, from the lights to the temperature, and even the movement of your robotic devices. And let's not forget about the potential for interaction. The robotic arm and display could be used like the personas of Apple Vision Pro users. The display itself could move to simulate nodding or shaking one's head, adding a whole new dimension of interaction with your smart devices. These products are said to be under consideration in early feasibility testing. No final decisions have been made yet, but the prospect of these innovations is undeniably exciting. All these innovations could revolutionize the way we interact with our homes. Apple's smart home ambitions are indeed grand and far-reaching. Throughout this video, we've explored the vast landscape of Apple's current smart home products, and we've gazed ahead at the company's future plans. From the convenience of HomeKit lights to the advanced technology of a potential room assistant, Apple is innovating and pushing boundaries at every turn. Now, let's take a moment to recap some of the key points we've discussed. First off, we have the HomeKit, Apple's current flagship in smart home technology. It's a robust platform that allows users to control a wide range of devices, from lights to thermostats, all from their Apple devices. But Apple isn't stopping there. Reports suggest that the company is considering a revamped Apple TV set-top box with a built-in camera for video conferencing, and a lightweight smart display that gathers data from home devices. This smart display would be akin to a low-end iPad and could easily be carried around the house and docked with charging hubs. Moreover, Apple's ambitions go beyond just devices. The company is reportedly exploring the potential of robotics and AI in the smart home space. Imagine a tabletop product that uses a robotic arm to move a display around, following you as you move around the room. Or consider the possibilities of the Apple Car technology being repurposed for smart home control. It's important to note that these are all potential ideas, and Apple has yet to make any final decisions. However, the company has allegedly started small-scale testing on some of these projects, which indicates that Apple is serious about its smart home ambitions. As we look to the future, one thing is clear. Apple is poised to play a significant role in shaping the smart homes of tomorrow. From the integration of AI and robotics to the development of innovative smart home devices, Apple is at the forefront of this exciting field. So, keep an eye on this space because the future of smart homes is looking brighter and smarter with Apple in the picture.